Hi, this is Ivan. So, if you have actually set up the iOS properly and able to run it, there's no errors running it as in through the Xcode and there's no problem. Now we can come to actually trying out on our first automation. So, I believe that you also have actually download the UI catalog. Alright, this is the desired capabilities. Okay, so this actually looks similar to the Android version, but there are some differences actually. Yeah. So first of all, you actually need to specify the device name. It's mandatory. So to find out what is a device name, we can actually type this command instrument -s, and we have got actually all these devices. So these are the device name, alright? And of course this is what we also specify in Android, the platform name, and this is important, the automation name. And if you're actually installing the app, of course you have got to specify the full path. This is also same as Android. We currently actually include this. This is not mandatory, but there are some problem with the Java client, the latest Java client. So if it actually crashes on you, please put this line code, it may help. Okay, so let's try and run it. Alright, the simulator is up. So for the first time, it will actually install the WebDriver agent, install the packages, the UI catalog packages. It'll take some time. Alright, after installing the WebDriver agent and the UI catalog, it will launch the app. Alright, so yes, we have actually managed to run it. The desired capability is successful. Okay, so the next one I'm going to talk about is what happens if you want to actually do on the real device for the iOS. So for Android, it's very simple. You just actually type adb device and you find out your real device ID and you just put it in there. But for the iOS, you got to add a couple of lines. Okay. First, you actually have got to add your device name. Alright, this is the same as above. And you have got to find out the UUID. So those are the UUID, or you have got to actually do if you got actually to go to your iPhone general and about, and the UUID is in there. Right, this is not mandatory. Okay, so this probably may be mandatory for some scenarios. Alright, if the package is signed and you cannot actually launch it, you actually need to include this. So this is the team ID, and you probably could get it if you are Apple developer account, or you could get it from your company. And this is another parameters that you need to put in. And that's it. And we also install the WebDriver agent for the first time and install the package for the first time. It just takes some time and it should work. So that's it. Thank you very much.